Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Lapit. Ipan. Lapit.
And if I didn't know better, I think you would hear me now. If I didn't know better, I think you were still around. What the?
Miss ko na kayo, anak. Ingat kayo lagi. Bye-bye. Kiss. Ingat lagi. Kiss.
Dead, you're alive, so alive. Never be so polite, you forget your power. Never wield such power, you forget to be polite. And if I didn't know better, I think you were listening to me now.
Ba't? Ano ang sonnet? Bye.
The autumn chill that wakes me up. You love the amber sky so much. Long limbs and frozen swims. You'd always go past where our feet could touch. And I complained the whole way there. The car ride back and up the stairs. I should have asked you questions. I should have asked you how to be.
Across the sea of
Watched as you signed your name, Marjorie. All your closets of backlog dreams, and how you left them all to me. What died didn't stay dead. What died didn't stay dead. You're alive.
sabi, nanay, ibang ganita mo kapag pinay, ibang ganita para kang yung hindi tumatandang yun, sabi, ayawan ko. Sabi, ano bang hindi?
Di ba kayo naniniwala na maganda kayo?
Hindi ko na naiintindihan iyan.
I think you're still around. I know better, but I still feel you all around. I know better, but you're still around.
Kahit maputi na extra si mama.
I took the supermarket flash from the windowsill. Threw the day old tea from the cup. Packed up the photo album Matthew had made. Memories of a life that's been loved. Took the get well soon cars and stuffed animals. Poured the old ginger beer down the sink.
Naiiyak po ba kayo? Bakit?
Naiiyak ako, bakit hindi narito?
Ay, saan tayo pupunta?
Every time pieces, it's tearing me
Ba't gusto niyo sa Eluna?
I know
Ay, hindi na
heart
lang
that's
ako.
broke is a heart that's
Sino
been
po
loved.
kaibigan niyo?
So I'll sing hallelujah.
Sa naneng?
You
Sino
are
ba?
an angel in the shape of
Nagtindahan
my
na tayo.
Sino pa, Nay?
Maputi na ang mga buhok.
They're holding me up.
So, gusto niyong makita yung mga kaibigan niyo.
When God takes you back, you say hi.
Kaya niyo gustong umuwi.
Ay, wala na kasi ako kaibigan.
Nasaan?
Ang kaibigan ko, Maring Lydia.
Nasaan?
Yatid ka pa ba natin? Ha? Yatid ka ba natin?
Wala. Sinong ate ko?
Hands neatly in a case. John said he'd drive, then put his hand on my cheek and wiped a tear from the side of my face. And I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. And when God takes you back, you'll say hallelujah, you're home. Hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. You got to see the person I have become. Spread your wings, and I know that when God took you back, He said, hallelujah, you're home.
Nasaan ang asawa ko? Na-stress ako at wala dito. Nasaan? Aba. Ay, sino ang may...
Nasa mga tita Lota lang po ako, tatay. Pauwi na rin yun siguro, Nay.
Ay, bakit kung narin pauwi ninyo at dito kailangan siya? Bakit doon siya nagpipirma? Ah,
Kahit pa na
ay bakit doon ka nagpipirma sa kanila?
kahit lungkot dumaraan, pag natuyo na ang luha, parang naipan ang iyong kandila. Init ay wala. Hindi ba pangako mo nung una? Tiwala'y
Kiss! 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 Give me the dollar,
Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin kong mahalin sa susunod.